This is a question from IPMAT Indore 2024 paper QA section. And the question is based on time and distance, specifically boats and streams. It says a boat goes 96 km upstream in 8 hours. So if it goes 96 km upstream in 8 hours, so we can say upstream speed will be 96 by 8, that is 12 km per hour. This is the upstream speed of the boat. And then the boat covers the same distance moving downstream in 6 hours. So downstream speed can be calculated. Same distance 96 km, but it was covered in 6 hours. That means 16 km per hour. Obviously downstream speed should be more than the upstream speed. So we know both downstream and upstream speed. With this, we can also calculate the speed of boat in still water and speed of stream. If that is necessary, we can do that. Right? So we know these two speeds from the first line. Now, the next line says, on the next day, boat starts from point A, goes downstream. So now we will draw a diagram. Let us say this is the river and the river is flowing in this direction. So this is point A. Boat starts from point A, goes downstream for 1 hour, then upstream for 1 hour, then repeats this process 4 more times. That is 5 times upstream and 5 times downstream. That means we can say the boat goes 5 hours downstream and 5 hours upstream. Right? If it goes 1 hour downstream, 1 hour upstream, 1 hour downstream, 1 hour upstream, and does that 5 times, mathematically this can also be said that the boat goes 5 hours downstream from point A and then goes 5 hours upstream. Simple, right? So if the boat starts from point A, goes 5 hours downstream, so what distance will it cover in downstream? At 16 km per hour in 5 hours, it will cover 80 km. Right? So let us say the boat is at point B. Now it turns back and covers, goes upstream also 5 hours. So from point B, the boat turns back and goes upstream. In 5 hours in upstream, the boat will cover 12 into 5, 60 km. So this will be 60 km from point B. Let us say this is point C. So this is the final position of the boat after 10 hours journey. Question is, then the boat would be. So with respect to point A, all the options are telling us the position of boat, final position of the boat with respect to point A. So where is boat with respect to point A? It is 20 km on that side, on the downstream side, right? So the answer should be B, 20 km. So we didn't need any speed of stream or speed of boat in still water. It is a very simple question of boats and streams.